Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of how to transfer your existing phone number to your new Mint Mobile account. And if you've yet to purchase Mint Mobile, click my referral link down in the video description to save a little extra money. So when you go through the activation process, you're going to get to this page where you either have to transfer an existing number or get a new number. So you're going to click on the transfer an existing number. It's going to take you over to this next page where you need to type in your old phone number that you're going to be transferring, your account number from your old carrier, the zip code associated with your old account, as well as a PIN number. Now, you're going to be able to find all of this information through your old carrier, and I'm going to walk you through this with my specific example. I was coming over from Freedom Pop. It's going to be different depending on which carrier you're with, but I just want to walk you through this particular sequence in terms of finding this information. Alright guys, so I logged in to my old Freedom Pop account, and you're going to have to do this with whatever carrier you're coming from, and then find your account settings. For me, it's in the upper left-hand corner. Go down, and I'm going to find where it says settings and click on that. And then that takes me over to the settings page, and then over on the left-hand side, all the way towards the bottom, it says port out information. Clicking on that, it brings me to the page where it's going to have my port out information. But since I've already ported out my number, that information has gone away. But this was the page where I was able to find my old phone number, of course, my account number, my PIN, as well as the relevant zip code that I needed. All of that information to then carry over to Mint Mobile and type that in. And again, it's going to be different depending on which carrier that you're with. I just wanted to show you an example of me going through my Freedom Pop account. So now going back over to Mint Mobile to wrap up this whole video, again, you just have to type in all of that transfer details information, click transfer, and then you should be good to go. Thanks for stopping on in. I hope to see you guys back here for future videos.